328 GTS in for interior restoration and repairs. As you can see on the front seat, the team has just completed the cleaning process, and we found that a lot of the original leather has broken through the cracks, but we'll be able to restore it from the original leather. No upholstery needed, reupholstery, sorry. Over here you can see a lot of cracks have formed, they've actually burned through, which is why it's going to consume a bit more time to repair, and they will ensure that the colors and the texture will match the original. But some damage to the headrest as well. Other than that, the inside, we've taken off the roof of the car as we are going to do a touch up on the soft top to ensure the suppleness and to ensure that it's able to sustain the Malaysian when it's completed applying the protection onto this the roof of the 328 GTS. As you can see, it's restored a lot of the shine. We'll perform application of leather protection to ensure that it does not crack under the heat of the sun. We are now in day 2 of the reparation work. Continuation into the build, we have just resprayed the door panels. And this is the, after much researching, this is actually the original color that this Ferrari came in. For the inside, there's still work that needs to be done on the seat, due to the old leather.